45-pound draw, 62-inch length. This is a recurve bow by Lightning Archery. They got a bunch of other different products and they sell exclusively on Amazon. But the reason I got this one is because the first bow I ever bought was a Bear Super Mag 48-inch, and I broke it on my 12th session. So that fear, every time I'm shooting now, it's in the back of my mind. What if I break the bow? And I think it's contributing to hesitation, and I'm trying to become faster. So I bought this bow. If I ever run into that problem, I could just replace the limbs, and I don't have to worry about changing up my setup. Because if you look at my old bow, I got a custom whisker biscuit setup I made, and I'm gonna build one for this and then start practicing.